you so much, everybody. I'm Alina.
And I'm Rachel.
I'm Holly.
And I'm Bethany, and we are Renegade. Thank you. This is our first time in the top 10, and we are feeling so many things right now. But that's okay. That's what this is all about, this roller coaster of emotions that we all have. That's what's real for us.
I know for me, meeting you three weirdos was a roller coaster of emotions. But what I mean is, we met during a very pivotal time in my life. I moved up to the Pacific Northwest from New Mexico for a wonderful job opportunity. But I also moved to get a new start. But making a move that big left me alone. I walk around heavy-hearted and sad. Night comes around and I'm still feeling bad. Rain pouring down, blinding every hope I had. This pittering, pattering, beating and splattering drives me mad. Love, how can it be? This misery's just too much for me. Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky. Well, since my man and I together, whoa, keeps raining all the time, all of the time. Life is bare, gloom and misery everywhere. Stormy weather, since we ain't together, no. It keeps raining all the time, rain all of the time. Now since he went away, the blues they walked in and they met me alone, gal, just to try me, feeling so mad, all by myself now. All I do is pray the Lord up above, he will let me walk in the sun once more, can't go on now. Everything is gone. That's stormy weather, so stormy since my man and I ain't together. We ain't together. So weary all the time. I've been so weary.